So this is how we're going to be walking around in this hella hot summer, right? Mask on, shades on, hat on. Y'all don't even know if this is Ranzo or not. It could be someone else. It could be an imposter. This is the Korankei Gorge right behind me, right? These leaves, these trees, the foliage changes in autumn, of course, and it's beautiful. I've never seen it before in person. I've seen it on Google. It's the summertime, so I won't be able to show you guys at this time, but maybe at some point in the future I'll return. I can't say when, but I intend to. Welcome to another episode of Rolling with Ranzo. Today we are in Aichi Prefecture, myself and my beautiful family. Let's go. So a lot of foreigners like myself find themselves here. The way I discovered this spot was to randomly click on an attraction on Google. So this wasn't contrived. Oh snap, is this a gorge? Oh snap, okay. Okay, there's like so many people. I never knew that people actually went inside there. Now I feel like I want to go into the water.
Korankei is a gorge created by the Yodo River, a tributary of the Yahagi River. It is a part of Asuke Town in Toyota City, Aichi. The gorge has over 4,000 maple trees said to have been planted in 1634. It is a popular tourist destination famous for its autumn foliage and its Erythronium japonicum flowers.
Oh, so udon spot, udon spot. Jay, isn't this it? Oh.
It's mine.
Oh, this is yours?
Yes, this is mine.
Jay, why you look so good?
Take yours, please.
Eh? So this is it. But these eggs, yo?
Give me your bowl today. Give me your bowl.
Why does this taste like it tastes like boiled eggs with cheese in the middle? I'm not sure why.
It's just how they soak it in the season. They sell them in the store, the seasoned ones.
Yeah,
but she probably makes they probably make their own. Because, you know, we can season them with the different soy sauce and the different sauces or whatever, right?
This is like a traditional experience. Like, it's really, because even the seating area, let me guys show you. So on this side you can see it, right? That's what people kneel. They kneel and eat. And I can't do it. Can't buy it.
I thought it was tea, but it's actually water.
I thought it was tea. You know what? Okay, that's hilarious.
Yeah.
It's like the placebo effect, right? Because I thought, because you know what? Because of the color, it looks like ocha, right?
Yeah. And the only reason why I knew it was water was because I poured it out and I'm like, wait, it's clear.
Yeah, that's hilarious.
I'm like, it's clear.
Okay, お願いします。